Street Trip? Welcome back to the channel. Drip Squad, thank you guys for tuning in. Man, today's video is kind of a pain in the you-know-what. If you guys haven't seen the last video of me taking a trip to Jersey and doing the dent on the lip and pretty much cracking it. So we cracked that Maxton Design lip. Not we, I should say me, but basically, you know, I was just being me and just being human. You know, that happens sometimes, but I couldn't stand it anymore. I couldn't. Every time I walk by, taking a look at it, it looks like a dog just went and just said, "Pow!" just like chewed it right off. So it was bothering me. I tried to hold off as long as I could. It looks like winter isn't too crazy. Usually, if you can make it through March, you're pretty good up here in Boston as far as snow. Hopefully, don't jinx myself. Y'all gotta make sure it don't snow because that's salt, man. But yeah, we're gonna do that install today. I actually gotta head out to Harbor Freight right now to go drop off these ramp stands. I tried to get the low profile ones, they were all out. So I took the shot with the regular ramps and that thing was not making it at all. So I just wanted to try it and hopefully I got lucky, but I didn't. So yeah, I was able to just do it off of using 2 jack stands on each end, kind of like I did last time. If you guys haven't watched that video, make sure you go back and watch the Maxton Design front lip install, and I also did the whole side skirt and back as well. That video shows you how I did everything. Since I already pretty much showed it, I just kind of threw it on. When I'll show you guys what it looks like once we step outside. I know it's starting to get dark, so let me get there, and once I get to the parking lot, we get a little bit better light, I can show you guys what it looks like, so stick around. All right guys, as you can see here, we got the lip already set up. Gotta take this baby out the package, and we're gonna be applying this guy, Shine Armor. This ceramic graphene ceramic spray is what it says there. I've used most of their products on just detailing the car, and I know they're legit and they work really well. I always get compliments on how the car looks, and it's thanks to these guys. So we're gonna go ahead and coat the lip, which I should have done on the last lip, but I'm definitely gonna do on this one. It's gonna help with water spots and just general all over protection. So we're gonna get that done on this before we throw it on the car. So let me get to it. And it's pretty easy, self-explanatory how to do. Spray it on the microfiber cloth, wipe it down, and then wipe off any excess, and voila, just wait a couple hours before you put it out in either the snow, the rain, or anything like that, and you're good to go. It should give it a nice shine on it as well, and look pretty. So yeah, let me get to that and show you guys how it looks after. Alright, so I went ahead and applied the first coat. You can see how it looks there, kind of get the gloss coming out with the light. And also in the middle, I went ahead and took out the Maxton sticker. Luckily, because I had it sitting indoors, it was actually already warm, so it was super easy to peel off. There was a tiny bit of glue, but you just take a small bit of alcohol on a wipe and comes right off, and you can see there's no residue from that sticker. So I'm just letting this haze up. This is the first coat. Let it haze up for about like 2-3 minutes or so, and then you can buff it off, and you should get a really nice. You can kind of see the gloss already coming out there to help protect it. And then yeah, once this is done, I'm gonna let it sit for a couple hours, and then we're gonna throw it on, and we should be good to go. All right, here we go on a little cruise. You know, in true fashion, we gotta make it do what it do. Do with his headphones. Looking back like, what is he doing? Hey, Audi up here. Q5 OG. Looks like the first gen. It's only right. Yee! Man, see? Y'all thought I was lying. I'm not. Every time I decide to do a pull on any type of Mexico back roads, this is what happens. I get stuck in front of every car. Look, and you got this guy wanting to make a left, doesn't know what he wants to do. But I'm ready. Vibes is ready. Night vibes. About to have some fun today. Oh, this Infinity got a nice little exhaust there. don't know if y'all can hear that. Man, I keep forgetting to tell you guys how lovely this thing sounds. Oh man, I just can't get enough. Sometimes I just turn the radio down, even though as much as I love listening to the system, don't get me wrong, but sometimes you just gotta just zone out, listen to the engine, let it breathe, listen to the chirps, pops, bangs, just like that. Come on, that never gets old, never. If it does, then go drive a Prius. No offense to the Prius drivers, but you know what I mean. Yeah, man, this is so nice. Look at this guy right here. Wow, just to get in front of me, just to get in front of me. Hope it makes you feel happy. Hope you know what, got bigger just because of that. Man, this guy's just no reason. But anyway, we about to pull up here. I'm gonna try to park under one of the lights, and hopefully it's enough light where I can show you guys how it came out. All right, it looks like the coast is clear, parking lot empty at Harbor Freight. Big discounts on tools, man. Great prices, come see me. All right guys, I had to pull to the back because there was a car out there with the car alarm going off. I don't think you guys would have liked it, but look at this. Perfect lighting out here. Sheesh. Spotlight. This works out perfect right here. Nice little DL zone. Not a lot of people here. I like this. But yeah, there she is. There goes the lip. Put that thing back on. Looking clean. Man, a little still too dark, but you guys get the idea. Let me get it from this side. Right there. Damn. Back in business. That's where the crack was. Right on this corner here. I was able to put it back with that ceramic spray that I use. It actually looks really, really nice in this light. I don't know if you can see it, but let's get closer right there. You kind of see how it's glossy. I'll get in the daytime for you guys. So we'll do like a tomorrow video. Show you guys what it looks like. Man, she looks sexy in this light. Y'all let me know what you think. Comment below. And she's dirty too. It's not even clean. Wow. Love this color, man. In the light, it looks like a lighter color. Look, at night, it looks darker, almost like a matte tone to it. So crazy. Every angle. Ooh, right there. Hold up, there you go. That's the sweet spot. You got the brake calipers gleaming. Nice, man. You got the black roof. Look at that, looking all uniform. And she's rumbling in the back. Sheesh. I love it. Needs a wash bad though. But it's okay. This winter, this is what happens when you got a daily in the winter. Still think she's in good condition though, for being all this salty ass weather. So look out for the wheels. That's coming around the corner. Super excited about that. Can't wait to see what that looks like. It's gonna change the whole look, whole ball game, whole new ball game, I should say. Hopefully it fits the same, if not better, than the way these sit with the spacers. I'm assuming it should sit nice and flush there. But yeah, man, I'm definitely looking forward to that. Let me show you guys something I've been wanting to show you at night. You can see what it looks like. Bam. There she is. Woo. Yes, sir. JL's looking crazy. Custom box, street drip. Damn. And then you could just pop that thing open and take a better look. Yes, sir. This thing looks crazy at night. So sick, man. Never get tired of this. Love it. And then just the way that it shines through the we're in the light here, but if I was in like super dark, you can actually see like the glow. It almost looks like some sort of like Marvel effect going on with the car. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. How's she looking so far? Been a good daily car. Love it. And got a lot more in the future with this. Going to hit up a lot of shows coming up this season. and also a lot of car meets as well. So I'm excited for that. Man, I don't know if y'all noticed, but took off the front plate. I'll tell y'all why in a future video. I'm not gonna disclose that now. Not too future though, next month. I'll let you guys know. But when I did that though, you could see the intercooler. Oh yeah, she's getting a lot of air now. Love that. Y'all let me know if y'all got something that can make this. This is the only kind of eyesore. I don't know if I should get like a screw, a black one, like a shallow, and just kind of put it all the way in. See that right there? If y'all got something for it, let me know. I'm not sure if that's the way it's supposed to look, or if there's like some sort of cap or something that you could put there to when you take out the plate. See that right there? So let me know if you guys got a solution for that. I'd like to know, see what's out there. It's not too bad when you're out here, but I mean, if you really look at it, you do see it. Man. All right, guys, it's only right that I leave you with a nice launch, baby. Let's go. Woo! Oh my God, this thing is crazy. Let's hit that back. Woo-hoo! Yes, sir. Big things popping. Damn. All right, let's get out of here before somebody calls the cops. Y'all know how that goes. All right, man. I'll show you guys how it looks. Like I said, tomorrow when we get daylight. All right, guys. You know it's only right I do one more thing. Let's let this car pass. It's almost like it echoes through these like a hallway. Damn. Not only does it do it now, but now you get the whistle and the pop. It's like whistle while you work.
The next morning.
So much for the next day. I'm gonna show you guys how it is outside. It is super windy, cold, and that nasty rain mixed with like that slush style snow. So hopefully the camera doesn't get too wet. I try to be quick with it, but I'm gonna show you guys, like I promised, what it's gonna look like in daylight. So let's check that out real quick. Woo! Damn. All right, so there she is right there. Look how that's looking. Look at the way it came out. Let me know what you guys think. Now you can definitely see it. Hopefully the wind's not too loud. It's very, very windy, but I'm not trying to stay out too long. Just wanted to show you guys. Comment below, let me know what you think. I went ahead and took out the Maxton Design sticker like I was telling you guys yesterday on the front, so now it looks all flush and smooth. And then also the removal of the front plate definitely looks really, really nice that way. Now I see why everybody does it. It just helps with the overall look of the car and the appearance, man. Really nice right there. So basically, I think I found, looking up, a trick for the little screw right there. There's these like flat shallow screws. I forget the size of it, but basically they're black, and you can put those right in there to kind of fill it. It's not too noticeable, like I said, unless you're like really up on it and seeing it, but I definitely want to put that on there just to kind of finish up the finishing touches on that. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Comment below. It is freezing. You can see the lens is getting wet, and now I'm trying to get back, get inside nice and warm. The things I do for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment below. Street Drip. We'll see you on the next one. We're out.